Hell yeah.
Yo, what's going on? Cuss by Reggie. New video. Little unboxing today. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like if you like the videos, thumbs down if you don't like the videos. Fine, right? See me in my dope phase hoodie today. That means I'm on my way to the gym. If you see me in this, that means I came from the gym or I'm on my way to the gym. Trying to get my sexy body right. The summer on the way, right? So today we're going to unbox the new clipper from Wahl. New clipper from Wahl, right? So here is of course, y'all know they dropped the first they dropped the cordless seniors, then they dropped the 1919 seniors, and then they dropped also the Magic Clip all metal. So I guess people have been asking for the metal with, I don't know who been asking for it, but I guess people have been asking for it. So they gave it to us, right? But before I really break down everything, let's just this is the packaging. Nothing changes about Wahl packaging. They stick to, which is not a problem because it's not bad packaging. You know what I mean? So you get 3 premium guards, blade adjuster, zero gap, blade adjustment lever, 80 minutes of runtime. So I know a lot of people, they say runtime doesn't matter because if you like a clipper, you got more than one. And then if you got a charging dock, the runtime don't matter. But as long as they are advertising the runtime, it matters somewhere. You get what I'm saying? And it's not that the runtime is like just terrible, because yes, you can put it on the charger. You can put it, you don't even need a charger now. You just hook the cord back into it. But with so many other clippers with longer runtime, it's still a statement to have it. If they're putting it on their boxes, these companies do care about it. So when people review, it's not to say that this is the main focus, but it is still part of the review. It is still the product. You get what I'm saying? All right. So metal lever, blah, 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 all the good stuff. We know what it is. Let's pull it apart. Like I said, nothing. Now, this does feel a little bit heavier, and it does look like they got the charging dock in there. So if I get it off, boom. Same thing from Wahl. The lunch box style, the go-go boxes, if y'all been to Boys and Girls Club, whatever. Open it up. Same thing, but except for my, y'all can see that my, the blade holder is over the side. But we're going to set that to the side. We're going to set the clipper to the side. And we'll get to that in a minute. All right. How much you want to bet what they be doing in the videos? Go down and comment real quick if you think they're going to put a white comb in this. If they do put a white comb, I deserve a thumbs up. That's what they do in them videos. I'm sorry. We got a white comb, the taper comb, fade comb, right? Charging cable. And they do give you the charging dock, which is cool. These are some good between these and who else got a nice start? The Oster. Between these and the Oster charging docks, like, they are very sturdy, very durable. They feel like they not going nowhere once you place it down. I have a crazy good box, so I probably won't use that. They include the clipper brush, and then they include premium guards, which is fine. But they only included the half guard, the 1 and the 1.5. With the limited edition Disruptor Tour, they actually put a whole set of guards in there from half guard all the way up to a 6. You know what I'm saying? With this premium pricing, they only included the charging dock, which is fine. So this clipper, if I'm remembering right, is $279. And I think the original senior or the 1919 was $230, something like that. And I think the cordless senior was cheaper than that. I'll look up the prices, but I think this was $279, two something like that. So you get the charging dock, which is fine. Like I said, the charging dock is good. It's not a bad dock at all. It's very heavy. And then you include the guards, but you only get 3 guards in there. And then of course, here's the main focus. All right. So if you have the 1919, or I don't have the 1919 with me, or even the Magic Clip, you get what I'm saying? It's pretty much the same build. The 1919 did come with the taper blade though, just like this Senior here came with the taper blade, and then the all metal comes with a fade blade. So that's one difference, right? This is very stiff. Ooh, that's stiff, but of course you can loosen it up, and over time it will loosen up itself. But this is the machine. If you've seen a Wahl clipper, so this is the original Senior. This is the all metal. Like I said, I mean, taper blade, fade blade. They really didn't do anything different between the. I wish I had my 1919 here with me so I can really get into that. The only difference is the fade blade. I guess that's worth a upgrade if you're looking for a fade blade. But technically, you could just put the fade blade on a 1919. But it is something to have. This is, I don't know if this is a limited edition. Excuse me. But on the box, it's a metal edition. So it's a Senior. It got the same weight of a Senior. This is an older model, so that sound doesn't really compare. But as far as weight wise, it's about the same. Only difference is the front of this being metal. You know what I mean? You get 80 minutes of run time on this. Let me see. So the original 1919, I think it had like 6,400 RPM. I'm guessing this is about the same range. 80 minutes of run time. So technically the same clipper. Just a new fade blade, and it does come with the charging dock. The thing about Wahl, and I'm not going to go on my Wahl Oster Andish rant, but like I said about the charging time or the run time is not the main focus. But if they are advertising the run time, that is part of it. This feel like it's going to last. Of course, everybody said, well, Wahl is built better, blah, blah. That is true. This is very sturdy. It feels strong. It doesn't feel cheap at all. I mean, if you held a 1919 or a Master, you know that it's not going to be a quick throwaway. You get what I'm saying? But in the sense of the hype, they put so much hype around the name because they know people will buy based off the name. I'm going to buy based off the name because I like Seniors. I like Magic Clip. I am a Wahl fan. You get what I'm saying? But in the same token, with these other companies getting better and building and all that stuff, it just seemed like I want Wahl to come out with a new product. Don't sell me a name. I mean, your name is Wahl, so you're going to sell the name, but don't sell me the name of the clipper. Break down and give us something new. You know what I'm saying? As far as clipper-wise, motor, I mean, this is, y'all know a Senior is strong. A Senior is going to do what it's going to do. It's like I always say about the Rebel. The Rebel is my favorite clipper right now, but the power of a Rebel is between a Magic Clip, which is down here, and then a Senior, which is up here, and then a Rebel is in between. So I'm going to use this. I don't know if I'm going to drop down and do a whole review and all that because it's a Senior. We all know how a Senior works. You get what I'm saying? Is it going to last the time? Yes. Is it going to be powerful? It's going to cut through bulk. It's going to do what it says it's going to do. Of course it is. It's a Senior. So I just wanted to show you what comes in the new all metal edition Senior. All right. So that's my video. What do you think about the Wahl Senior? Not even the Wahl Senior. What do you think about them releasing a all metal edition? Real quick, right? When it comes to limited edition products, I wish some of them was technically limited edition, right? Just like with the Disruptor Tour Clipper. People got those for going to the tour. You got those based off of you paying extra money for a certain ticket to go on this tour. But now you can just get them anywhere. When you make it something limited edition, make it limited edition where when I'm rushing to spend $300 on something, it's worth me spending that $300. You know what I'm saying? If you don't bring it back out again and then charging $200 or something for it. You know what I'm saying? So the 1919 was specifically supposed to be a limited edition type thing. Like, I think when it comes to stuff like that, you should just make a certain amount of them. If I don't get to it, so-and-so don't get to it, cuz don't get to it, then they just don't get it. Got to be quicker than that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, but that's the Wahl. I was about to say 1919. That's the Wahl all metal senior. If you like the video, thumbs up the video. If you dislike the video, thumbs down the video. And since I did find a Wahl comb in there, you have to give me a thumbs up. That's the rules. I don't make the YouTube rules. If I say something in the video and it happens, you have to like the video. I've seen commentary videos that be like, see how fast you can hit the smash button, the like button. So smash it, hit the like button. I'm out. I'll be back with another one. Peace.